Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I was just having a think about how people start YouTube channels and for what reason they start them. Well, for me personally, I was given the keys to my new allotment back in December 2023, so December just gone. I went and had a look at it, and to be honest, some of it's overhung with trees. It hadn't been worked for about 3 years, so there was every type of weed imaginable. And initially, I thought, I don't know if I want this or not. There's a lot of work involved. But then I thought, okay, I can see potential and I can get it how I want it, even though it was going to be a lot of work. And I hasten to add, there's still a lot of work to do on it. So I decided to take it. Then I thought, right, let's do a progress. So I was taking pictures as I went along, which was fine. So before and after, that kind of thing, just to see, remind me how much work I'd put into it. Then I thought, I'll start taking videos, which is even better. So that led me to thinking, I'll start a YouTube channel. I don't think I'm the greatest talker in the world, i.e. being Scottish, but luckily YouTube comes with subtitles if you're struggling. So that's how YouTube idea came about. I know you can make money with it if you're successful and you get like thousands of subscribers, views, and all the rest of it. Yeah, of course, I'd like to make money with it. But my aim really is if it does get monetarised, I'd just like enough to run the allotment with regards to buying onion sets, seeds, soil, trays, maybe pay it's about £30 odd a year rent, tools when I have to replace them, that sort of thing. If I end up making more money than that, then okay, brilliant, maybe it turns down free money. And I do actually quite enjoy doing this, i.e. making videos, sharing my experiences, etc. So just wondering what other people's motives were for starting up their channels. I suppose deep down it's the money things that, always comes to your thoughts and you think, okay, I could stop work and retire, make videos all day, doing something that I enjoy. But like I say, for me, it was the video diary initially. But obviously the money, that would be good. So anyway, I just thought I'd put that out there. And also, I'm trying editing software. This is the second video I've done with it now. Still learning, so it was another good excuse to do a wee bit of editing. If anybody wants any information on what I'm using, because I've never used editing software before, and I'm getting to grips with it very, very slowly. And obviously, and hopefully, the quality of my videos is improving. But if you've got any comments, you want to ask any questions, you want to leave comments about why you started your allotment, please do so in the comments below. And as always, if you can like, subscribe, share, comment, again, it all helps with the channel. Anyway, I'll sign off at that. I hope you all have a lovely evening, and I'll see you all again soon.